Hello, I have my $10 glasses on from the supermarket. I'm blind. When I edit my videos, I have to wear glasses. I thought I'd just check in and say hello. It's Sunday afternoon. It's really cold in my house, and I can't speak properly. Our fireplace broke, but my husband's fixing it. But that's okay. I've decided to stay in bed and have a morning in bed. So I'm watching YouTube videos, which is my favourite thing to do other than decorating. So I'm going to add this bit to my bit when I do the frames. I'm just thinking about where I'm going to put them in the house and how I'm going to do it. So I will see you then. It'll probably be about a day until I do them. But for you, it'll be like 1 second. Bye guys. Hello, I hope you're doing well. Well, the last time I saw you was on Sunday and we had no heat because our fireplace was broken. But hey, it's all been fixed now, so that's great. And it's not so cold in my house now. But today, enough of that, but today we are going to make a little gallery wall in my hallway. I don't think I've shown you much of my hallway before. It's nothing special, to be honest. It's an old house, so it's dark. I've been meaning to decorate it for a while. It's kind of got like a mirror and some chandeliers, but I do neglect it, I must admit. So I have really been thinking about doing this gallery wall. So we'll go and do the gallery wall. So let's talk about the frames. This is one of the ones I picked up from the op shop. I quite like that old silver look. It's probably not that old, but it looks old and I like the pattern. And the reason why I saw this one, I thought, oh, I'll get that, was I've got this one already. And I thought, oh, it's a really nice contrast to each other. So these two will go up, and then that gives that one silver frame like a companion. It might look funny if I had only just put that one up with all the white ones, if that makes sense. And this is one of the ones I picked up from the op shop. I'm not touching it, I haven't painted it already. I quite liked it, I quite like the distress on it. I wish I could have seen more of these type of frames, but honestly I need to go back to that Thursday op shop just to go through the frames properly. Now I know kind of what to expect. She is going to go in one of the frames, keeping with my blue colour. Now I've got these pictures, I've had them for ages, I've printed them off the internet, but they didn't really work in any of the frames, but I might still put them up as part of the gallery wall. I'm just not sure. To keep with a bit of the blue theme, I've got this big blue frame that can go up. This is the frame I had already. That will just go up with nothing in it. I did try a picture in it and I was going to cut down the picture, and I thought no, I'll just do that as an empty frame. That's the one I painted, which was red, if you saw that. And I've got this lady off the internet that I've had for a while, and I made a frame for it and it looked really bad, so I ripped it off. But I don't mind because it just kind of gives a little bit of fake age to it, and it's just on a bit of cardboard. I thought she looked quite good in the frame, so we'll attach her in there properly. And I've got a whole heap of these frames falling apart, and this is one of the frames that I painted from the other video. I just scraped off all the paint because I actually could not get the glass out of the frame for the life of me. And when I scraped off some of the paint on the glass, I scraped off some of the paint for the frame. So instead of repainting it, I just sort of scraped off some of the paint on the other edges so it matched. I know, sounds complicated. And this is the other one that I painted that had some flowers on it, if you remember this from the video. And I just gave it a quick sand. And I have a whole heap of little rope stuff. That's how I'm going to hang my pictures, with just a little hook, and I'll show you when I do that. So this is the part of the hallway that I want to make the gallery wall. I'm going to open the front door so we can get some better light. Instant road noise and the noise from the actual house. I'm going to show you another picture that I have to put up. When I start a gallery wall, which I haven't done that many of in this house, I always like to have one picture the center of the gallery wall. So this is going to be my jumping off point. Because we have this electrical box, it's very old, I have to work it out around that. It's like the elephant in the room. So I'll put this up and like center it as much as I can, and we'll work around that. So some of them have got nothing to hang it up by. I have used Velcro in the past, but to be quite honest, that was a pain. It didn't really work that well, and it's expensive. So all I'm going to do is get a bit of my rope, my cord. So take my staple gun. And then you have a little cute hook that kind of goes with the other rope too. So the lavender just fell down. That's okay, I just put it back up. It needs a bit of tweaking. I noticed little things like there's a little bit of red coming through on the frame there. Everything just needs a little bit of straightening up. I think it might be the wall. I'll blame it on the 100-year-old house, nearly 100-year-old house.